Hello, how are you doing there? We're back with another exciting video that you are going to enjoy while receiving useful information. Gamers, listen closely, because this video is gonna be like a treasure chest for you. Everybody talks about the kind of specifications you need to run games smoothly and excel in them. But today we're going to talk about another factor that plays a major role in your gaming performance. Selecting the perfect gaming keyboard can be really a stressful task. Because of the lack of correct information, you could end up buying the wrong product. And who wants that, right? We've a well-researched list of top 5 gaming keyboards here. But before we go into the depths, please make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Let's go! All the product links are provided in the description with the best possible prices. You may have heard of this company, and they have a really good reputation among the gaming community. The Corsair K100 RGB is the first contender in our list. Corsair makes quality products that run for a long time, so let's have a look at this one. This mechanical gaming keyboard has no competition. It has durable aluminum frame to make it sturdy, so it can handle pressure pretty well. And the RGB lighting on 3 sides of the keyboard throws off a killer vibe that matches your personality and appears stylish. With a 44-zone 3-sided light edge, you're ready to slay the enemies in games. What else makes a gaming keyboard good? It should be fast and responsive. This keyboard has covered all the bases. It comes with Cherry MX Speed silver key switches that provide lightning-fast response time with exceptionally short actuation distance of just 1.2 millimeter. Even a gentle press on the key switch will do the task. It's what you need for fast-paced gaming, where every shot matters and winning is just a matter of a split second. The metal roll enables you to control media volume without interrupting the gameplay. The Axon hyper-processing technology makes it an advanced keyboard by delivering 4x faster throughput with 4000 Hz hyper-polling and 20-layer backlighting effects. This is what makes it so fast and responsive. The most amazing feature is the IQ control wheel, along with macro keys. The wheel can be customized to serve various functions like quickly switching between media, backlighting, and in-game controls according to your needs to perform actions in games and apps. The 6 macro keys can be used like a cheat code as they are fully programmable for complex macros and key remaps in iKey software. You can even set up special streaming commands through Elgato Stream Deck software. It also offers 8 megabytes of onboard storage that enables you to set up to 200 onboard profiles, so many users can use it without any changes in their preferences. On top of that, a detachable magnetic palm rest, the memory foam cushioning, and soft texture provide comfort and support to your hands. Arriving at our next destination, we're gonna explore another exquisite keyboard from a top-class brand. Our next contender is the Razer Deathstalker V2 Pro. It's obvious to include this keyboard in our list due to the features it possesses, so let's have an in-depth look to find out more. First of all, it comes in 2 variants, Pro and TKL. The only difference between the two is that the Pro one has 10 more keys. If you don't require the numeric pad, you can go for the TKL variant. It's also slightly cheaper. Now the real deal, its ultra-slim case with durable aluminum top plate is optimized for top-tier performance and durability. Its solid build quality can withstand the intense use resulting for long hours of gaming. The ergonomic form factor supports your long gaming session without any problems. It comes with 2 types of Razer low-profile optical switches, linear and clicky. You can choose any based on your preferences, but the performance remains the same. These keys have a shorter actuation height for reduced key travel, allowing you to perform quicker keystrokes, which then leads to faster response time and better functioning. They really meant it when they said long-lasting and durable, as it's backed by 70 million keystrokes lifespan. Its laser-etched keycaps with HyperGuard coating handle the roughness better than normal caps. And the multi-function roller to control features like brightness and media settings. You enjoy seamless gaming and instant response with Razer Hyperspeed wireless connection 2.4 GHz. And flexible functionality to toggle between 3 Bluetooth devices. Style it your own way with Razer Chroma RGB. Customize it with up to 16.8 million colors and effect. It sets the right mood automatically by shifting to dynamic light from hundreds of integrated games. All these features are supported by an ultra-long 40-hour battery life. It supports your long gaming sessions, and the detachable Type-C cable allows continuous use while charging. Whoa! That was one brilliant keyboard. We're halfway through the list, and if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and support us. Now, the next contender in our list is the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. As far as I know, SteelSeries products are used by professional streamers around the world, and whether this keyboard is going to be worth it or not, let's check it out. So first, let's talk about the design, because looks matter when talking about gaming keyboards, and besides looking stylish, they also need to be tough to handle the moments of rage. It's made with aircraft-grade aluminum plate, similar to the metal used in jets for durability. It's a TKL keyboard that gives you more space to run your hand freely over the mouse and also makes it more portable. Another unique and useful feature is the OLED display on the keyboard. It shows you all the vital information at one glance, like GPU stats, notifications, and switching between profiles and settings. It can be customized further with the SteelSeries Engine app. It's claimed to be the fastest keyboard in the world, and there are good reasons for that. The OmniPoint 2.0 switches outperform the standard mechanical keyboards easily by delivering 11 times faster response and 10 times swifter actuation. You can customize every keystroke and adjust the key travel distance from lightning fast 0.2 mm to 3.8 mm. It places you at the top of any game you're playing. Each key can be programmed to perform 2 functions. Isn't that amazing? By creating powerful shortcuts, you can use this to destroy your competition. And the premium magnetic wrist rest gives the comfort that your hands deserve. The Quantum 2.0 wireless technology allows you to enjoy lag-free gaming. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection enables seamless connectivity, and the Bluetooth 5.0 makes it compatible with multiple devices. It's available in both wireless and wired format, with a little difference in the price. So this one looks like a complete package. Wasn't that a gem of a keyboard? I bet some of you must have already found the one you were looking for. And if not, then continue watching this video till the end. Our next contender is the Logitech 715. It's a go-to place for a lot of gamers and professionals from other industries as well. This keyboard represents the new age of play. As you can see, it's not what traditional gaming keyboards look like. It's part of the Aurora collection by Logitech that gives the dreamy vibes to your desktop setup. It comes with a compact mechanical TKL layout with adjustable height that provides comfort for all-day-long gaming. The mechanical GX switches offer advanced performance with a classic feel. You can choose between linear, clicky, and tactile keys. The dedicated media controls with the roller helps you manage other functions while gaming. The per key and perimeter light sync RGB gives it a super cool look with the preloaded play mood animations and the Aurora signature lighting that makes it even better. With the G-Hub, you can also customize the keyboard's lighting. The Lightspeed technology offers fast, responsive performance, with seamless Bluetooth connectivity and a long-lasting battery that can run up to 25 hours with full lighting. With the Cloud Soft Palm Rest, you can get lost into adventures for as long as you want. It's a good combination of style and performance. You can also make a complete collection with other accessories from the Aurora series. As we head towards the end, you'll be left with 5 top-notch products to choose from, and there's a perfect fit for everyone in this list. So let's have a look at our last contender, the Asus ROG Strix Flare 2 Animate. You can have high expectations from this one. Let's find out. It's the ultimate gaming keyboard. It comes with an Animatrix LED display with 312 mini LEDs that can be programmed to let you show custom animations, images, audio visualization, system statuses, or settings indicators like brightness levels and keyboard RGB lightning modes. It provides you great help so that you don't miss on important things, also indicating laptop battery life, notifications, time and date. The optically positioned dedicated metal media keys enable you to control media settings at your fingertips. They can also be programmed into hotkeys. The scroll wheel can be used to adjust volume and mute audio, while the knob can be used for functions such as reverse, skip, play, or pause. It's stylish and ergonomic, providing a lightning-fast response. A USB microcontroller delivers an 8,000 Hz polling rate that refreshes input up to 8 times faster than most high-end keyboards, reducing the response time from 1 millisecond to 0.125 millisecond. ROG Mechanical NX gaming switches exclusively designed for fast actuation and ROG-tuned force curves for smoother keystrokes and also stability for longer keys. The ROG PBT double-shot keycaps provide durability with mid-height profile, and shorter stems reduce key wobbles and provide a more comfortable user experience, style, and personalize it your way with the Aura Sync RGB. It offers the entire color spectrum and a range of dynamic lighting effects. The detachable acoustic foam wrist rest provides comfort and has a built-in light diffuser to make it glow when connected to the keyboard. I hope you found this video helpful. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to show your love. All the product links are provided in the description with the best possible prices. Watch this video to see our top picks on the best budget phones of 2023.